Here is the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and open up the driver's side door. Right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Toyota emblem there, put one hand there, lift up the hood slightly, put another hand over there and push it up. Now this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it over there in that slot in the hood with the arrow marking it. Now pull it back slightly and now the hood is secure. Let's go ahead and get started with the passenger side. The way to access the bulb is that it's right over there, the black bulb holder. All we have to do is just grab it and then twist it left a little bit to loosen it, and now it should just come right out. And there's the bulb right over there. And to get the bulb out, all you have to do is just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. And this is where you have to be patient, because it's very likely that the bulb is stuck on there pretty tightly, and so you'll have to wiggle the bulb and keep on doing this for a few seconds, and only then will the bulb finally come off. So let's go ahead and do that and be patient with it, and the bulb comes off now. The bulb size is right there on it, 744NA, 744NA. Get the new bulb and push it back in. Now when you put the bulb holder back into the light, you have to make sure that it sits in properly. See, right now it's not sitting in properly because you can see the light over there. Yeah, so you have to do some twisting and turning, and then it just drops in, and then it looks like this. At this point, just twist it right to lock it in place and you're done. Moving on to the driver's side, that's the bulb there. The way to access it again is right there behind it, the black bulb holder. Similar to the passenger side, just twist it left a little bit and now it's loose and it should just come right out. Exact same process, just grab the bulb and then pull it out straight. Again, this one too is very likely going to be stuck on there tight, so just be patient with it and it's going to come out. Same bulb, 744NA, 744NA. Get the new bulb, align it with the pins and push it in. Now when you put the bulb holder back in, let's look at it from a different view this time. It should just drop in like this when it's sitting flush. Again, you may have to do some twisting and turning, but then it's going to drop in like this. At this point, just twist it right to lock it in place and you are done. And that is pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? To close the hood, first push it, take load off the prop rod, get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.